All right, so today is about this raspberry patch. What I'm actually gonna do is put another row. I got some more raspberry, some Canbys. This is the Canby raspberry plant. I actually got more of these, 2 of them, that I'm gonna put about a couple feet this way. And so today, I'm gonna show y'all a trellis that I thought about. I don't know if somebody else is doing it or has done it, but there's a video out there, I haven't seen it, but I've seen this pretty much. The premise is you take a post and then you have, you know, the 2 foot post coming this way and then a 3 foot one up top. That's what we're doing, but we're using T-post. And so I got these vertical T-post clips. Hold on. It's called a vertical T-post bracket. Vertical T-post bracket that you put on T-post, and there's 2 of them there. I got this at Tractor Supply, and some wood. It's like, I got pressure treated, 2x4x8, cut one 3 foot, cut the other piece 2 foot. So one is gonna go here, one's gonna go there, one there, so you need 4 pieces total. I also got this. It's a little kit, a wire and turnbuckles and loop and hooks and all that. So I'm gonna put that in the description as well. You take these T-posts and you slide them up top. The way they got them is really the only way you can put them on. So you slide it on, and then it pretty much just stays right there. So the premise is we're gonna take this, and then we're just gonna hang it up here just like, you know, the wooden raspberry trellis. So this is for each eye bolt or hook thing, whatever you wanna call them. So we're gonna put the bottom one on first. And we want that about 2 feet from the ground. Slide on down. Let's see where we at. And that's 2 feet from the center of the hole that I pre-drilled. And this one, I'm gonna just put as high as I can. Pretty much 2 feet above from that one, from the top part of the wood to the bottom part of this wood. Yeah, that's what that is. So now, we're gonna get this little kit. I got the little hooks, the little eye hooks, I think that's what they call. And so now I'm gonna do the other side, and then we're gonna string our string along, and I'll show you how to connect those from that. There's also a piece that go right here to hold this. You know, I ain't put it on, but I might need to. But later on I might do it, but right now I don't need it, so. What I had to do was put some wire on those bottom holes just to hold it, just to keep it a little steady. That's one of the little flaws I saw in it, but overall, it's pretty cool. It should do the job. We'll see if it hold up. But appreciate y'all for tuning in. Maybe it helps somebody else out. If you can improve it, improve it. To the next one.